Hey, what's up, high levelers? It's Andrew, and I've got a really exciting new feature release that I'm going to be walking you through, and that is our workflows, advanced filters, and smart lists. That's right, we now have the ability to organize our workflows better than before within our automations tab on high level. It's super exciting, so let's show you how it works. Right, so checking out all of our different workflows on our automation tab within our sub account. Before now, the only organizational tools that we've really had to sort, filter, or actually look at different sections of workflows has been folders. So we've put them into different folders. As you can see, we've got a folder for demo flows, got a folder for conversions, different things like that. Well, now we've got smart lists and advanced filters. So the first thing I'm going to show you is advanced filters. And this will show up whenever you are on your all workflows screen or any of your smart lists, which I'll show you in a second. Whenever you click advanced filters, you'll see this filter pop up on the right-hand side. And this is going to allow us to only view workflows that are performing specific actions, have specific tags, use specific criteria, or anything like that. So for example, what if we want to view all of our workflows that are published? All right, we can select status is published, just like that, and then apply that filter. And now we'll see all of our published workflows right in one place, which is really, really handy. If we want to edit this filter, we can go back to the filter by clicking advanced filters, edit it right here. But also, as soon as you apply any filters, you'll see this button on the right-hand side for save. And if you click this, then you can now either discard changes or save it as a new smart list right from the filter, which is really cool. So if we click save as new smart list, then we'll now have a new smart list. We can give it a title, we can edit the filter if we want, and then we can click save as new, and that's going to show up as a new smart list right here. So we can see all of our workflows by clicking all workflows, and then by clicking published workflows, we can now see just those published workflows, which is really cool. A couple of other options we have for our advanced filters are sorting by names, status, trigger types, action types, when they were updated, tags, and when they were created. So for an example, what if we want to create a filter to view all of our workflows that are being triggered off of form submissions, for example? Well, we can select trigger type is, and then we can select our trigger from the list or just by searching it up. So we've got form submitted, and then we can click apply, and now we can view all of our workflows that are using the form submitted trigger. Additionally, we can go back into this filter. Maybe let's add an and let's say workflows that are using a form submitted trigger that are also published. Then we're going to click apply, and now we can see all of our different workflows that are using that form submitted trigger, which is really, really cool. Now we can go ahead and remove this filter by clicking the advanced filters button and clicking remove filter as it shows up when we highlight over our filter itself. Then we can click apply, and we'll go back to seeing all workflows. Now let's talk about smart lists. All right, so at the top, we can see at the very right-hand side, past all of our current smart lists, these are two that I've already created, we can add in new smart lists by clicking this button. This is going to bring up the same screen where we can add in our advanced filters, give it a title, and of course we can select our filters just like we did before. So for example, this time we're going to work with workflows that involve tags. So we'll say tags. We can then view all of our different tags that are included in the account. For example, if we're trying to find a workflow that uses this tag specifically of biz owner, we can click apply, and then we'll find just those two workflows that use that tag specifically. Then we can click save. We'll see it says success, that has created the tagging list smart list. And now we can navigate between all of our different smart lists and view whether it's our published workflows, workflows that use this tag, all workflows, or of course we can use those advanced filters on our all workflows in order to view it on a more granular level. Now, whenever we're inside any of our smart lists, for example, let's say that tagging list one that we just created, you'll see this customize list button on the right-hand side that we can click. And this is where we can either add in more filters or adjust these filters, or we can click delete list on this first screen and then click delete, and that smart list will be deleted. After it's been deleted, we can also go to the deleted screen. Now, keep in mind, whenever you delete a smart list, don't worry, it's not going to delete the workflows within that smart list. It just deletes the list itself. But if you do delete any workflows, they will show up in this deleted tab on this screen. This is going to go into my stack as one of my favorite releases of 2024. I'm super excited to see you guys use this in order to organize your workflows. And personally, it's going to help me out a ton so I can find out which workflows are published, which ones are launched by specific triggers, and so on. So I hope you get to use this feature as much as I'm going to use it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you have any questions, leave a comment. And as always, thank you for watching.